Shut up and sit down.
Hey everyone, I'm Will, and today we are going to make some crabapple pies, and stay tuned because we're going to make it a regular style and vegan style. But before that, remember to like and subscribe and comment down below, and don't forget to press that notification bell down below. Let's get crazy of making some pies.
And let's make some pie, but we have a guest from Luca Kitchen.
And that's me!
Today I'm going to be cooking the normal style pie, and you are going to be doing
the vegan pie.
With the crab apples, these are both crab apples, and these ones are larger. This is what most people see of a crab apple, of the normal red crab apple. But this is a golden one that I just found recently, and they're larger. If you can see, a lot larger, but they're both crab apples. We're using this one for the pie, and this one, I'm gonna make something else in another video. Maybe a nice warhead candy. Stay tuned for that video. Okay, let's get these apples cut up. And now it's time to make the pie crust. What we're gonna need is 3 ounces of flour, 2 tablespoons of water, and 2 ounces of butter. We got the dough all made together. The next thing that you're gonna need to do is to put this in the fridge or the freezer, it's gonna be a little bit faster that way, to let it rest and cool down.
And now this is the vegan style. You need 3 ounces of whole wheat flour, 2 tablespoons of water, and 2 ounces of vegan earth balanced butter. Now we are going to take this and put it into the freezer for 20 minutes. You also can put it overnight in the fridge to chill down the butter to harden it.
Time to make the pie filling. You're gonna need 3 cups of crab apples, about 1 cup of sugar, a tablespoon of flour, about half a tablespoon to a tablespoon of cinnamon, how much you would like, and a tablespoon of water. Now we got the pie filling made, let's make the pies. You're going to need to preheat the oven at 425, and you're going to be cooking these for about 15 minutes. Then turn it down to 350 and cook it for about a half an hour. now we're gonna try it. So let's get right into it. Looks good, right? Look at that.
Oh my golly gosh, look at that beautiness. It's falling apart.
Let's try.
Sweet vanilla ice cream. Cashew vanilla ice cream.
For the vegan style, I would go with vanilla frozen custard.
This is the best apple pie I've ever had, and it's not apple pie.
It is. It's crab apple pie.
Yep.
Well, it was my first time finding these golden crab apples, and it was a smart idea to make this pie.
It's so good though.
Oh, come on. If you want to see more, go down in the description below, click the link to both our channels, or press the round subscribe buttons to both our channels to help both of us get to 1,000 subscribers. And until next time, remember to get outside, get fresh air, and have fun. See ya.